Hello everyone, my name is Akai Fadifa Kroside. This is me giving you all a cheerful smile. Yeah, I'm a Nigerian and I live in Niger Delta region. I'm from a large family. I'm the seventh child in the family of 12, two male and 10 female. These are my immediate family members. And beside us is my super mom. My super mom passed on in 2015 after she was diagnosed of hyperthyroidism. It was a big blow to us, but I take solace in the fact that we will one day meet on the resurrection morning. Above us here is my family. I'm married. This is my hobby. These are two of our kids. Above us are our kids. This is I and Obi in our traditional attire. Above us is I and Obi when we went out for a date, and this is the photograph we took during this last Christmas. Below here is my oldest son, and behind him here is my nephew. And so we had a wonderful time during this Christmas. I draw my spiritual strength from Mosiah 2:17, which says, "And behold, I tell you these things, that ye may learn wisdom, that ye may learn that when ye are in the service of your fellow being, you are only in the service of your God." This scripture, in fact, has really touched my life. Since I came across this scripture, I know that service is very important. I have served in the church as the Young Women Presidency, the State Young Women Presidency. I've also served as first counselor to the Relief Society president. I love to serve because I know that when I serve, Heavenly Father will be glad, will be happy with me. Yeah, I'm a high school teacher and I've worked as a community facilitator. While I was a field worker, I facilitated the production of over 100 community development plan, which was used to for which was used by the community to effect a positive change in the community. And my goal is to acquire communication skills that will add value to my experience. And I know that this value will empower me to support my family and community. What I hope to gain from this class, I hope to learn more on community health, which will be a great assistance in my career field. Thank you.